Chawuna, Yamama Kwaba, Badwam Ahosepe, Jumedie. So, world of entertainment, they try to be some more. Your father will know soon. Mommy Sandra or Heme Ametiwa. Ajume Adom. Entertainment, I'm a Ghana for Chemwa. Me am a guy, will I Michael? Me am a guy, no. And so will I make a beating a bono, any beating. Say I'm a function. And somebody had the air and said down in the light. But most of the times, you know, a lot of people, Asia, me and Kwala Mame, na Kwala na kosi saying Kwala Mame, I'm so Kwala Mame so jing. I mean, I don't Bible cry, my say, Mama, more fun, quine or mammy in China, yenum say no shrine, you know, a one dear. And untino, Kwala dia maka, so Damakuma, so papa, me for Muniago. And say, I know, you made ye bedding in an about. Me mano and Nsoromma Nkwalano from season 1 to the very current one I season 7. I hear a lot of times na nkofo bisa say oh na Nkwalano how far mo we here and then person me ma update about my babies so that you know say they are doing amazing. Yeah, started from season 1 Righteous Van Dyke. Abrantia wo ba adwumadia wotimi be say ho ma metu ni din show boy. Ola bonsema Abranti. Now, would you believe that this is righteous now? I can't get it up. Or buy now, what be the hair? That's right, hair. Or bunch from a senior na what's away a Victor Shuma me righteous. Send know what's here. Here we are. Yabeshe the current righteous. It's a Righteous Van Dyke on Nsoromma season 1 years ago. This was righteous. Once I know, sir, since I know ye kete, when a voice a cry, I feel I'm me who's a cry or life. I just say, or change someone Nsoromma. Young Kuti and Radi no can lie, not her senior righteous, and you fells or correct bra. So friend,
Onipada seni emereni nanso officer kokoni ne kiranso no eni over good die so tinya botre
Now that's Righteous Van Dyke. Moya mubisa me Nkwalano sister Sandra mu wie Nsoromma ye hu omo nye so be hu omo nti na me tro me ma no omo wie Nsoromma what they've been up to. They say Righteous Accra Academy. Oh, Olabon Semano. Or Accra Academy one. Say Righteous are building a studio. Or no Righteous. Now, because I say I'm to follow. Do say no more personal studio. Say Righteous no or no any studio. He's still doing music. You bet me I follow no TikTok at Righteous Van Dyke. Yonko season 2 Victor Chum Ampofo. I am beside Sister Sandy na movie Nsoromma no. Akosi say Victor when say Victor. And so presec. Manning in a school, maybe you and kind of mutu. But young Victor or war Nsoromma, so how little he was. Yeah, we are mature Victor now. So that was Victor Chum. Ewo dwumadie no so a season 2 ono na di nkunim. Good news. Or Persec Form 2. Na ni gisem ne se wonya anwom to still otonyom. Woni ne ewie dwumadie no ne akwaboa ebo onwom nya feature. Owie ye Persec onso no join kwa ono ene lead vocalist our Persec school ho. Yan hye senia wo raise the flag of Nsoromma no high our Persec campus. Oh, the main Persec, I mean Persec ankasa, not surprises here. Victor Chum, no. And I know may mamu updates because I am commanding doors on Kofobisa and I'm moving Nsoromma and Kwala no more. They are there. They are still doing amazing. And tell me more updates about the kids. Yanko season 3. Abrantia Odi Nkunima. It was the first time Kumerican ever crew ano. I am my first boy, my son, Abrantia. Wani NFI. Now, this is Abrantia University. Nkwala, I don't know how they are going. Abrantia there. Or you'll be our being pa. Instead of someone so Nkwala no be also real GSS no form 1 or quarter exams into no university manning on. Into okay and UST. Now, or we show no or say honum our next season no so once an no yeah finals ya Nkwala no e ba be show more talent. Take a look ya babaka mature Abrantia now. So now, let me show you our brand here. Okwa sorry o CCC, Kumasi Calvary Charismatic Church. Nehwe, omo some squad bia, omo tunyom, na youth evangelism. On the ordinary meeting and so pay. So let me show you my baby now, okay? Our brand here. Come here, baby. And this is the beauty of Nsoromma. Once a wall piano no. Again, no one instrument. Oh, boom, man, boom. Planning to book the car. Apano, well, you're very good. It don't say Nsoromma no baswa. And now write your score life now or can say Nsoromma building because by no a very nervous son yet a time of fano. Ubabos ye do a fancy tiemu. Write your sky and round the life as they say stage be anywhere I want to mean so. It's an instrument. Into boom. Mam and penny for Abdullah would crack a sea for the Sean, well back with young Peggy. Yeah, okay, baby, 20 man now, Bobo, the quiet chakra, this is 8 auditions, no. I bet you so I know you're friend of the next level. Chee, like fly so high. It's the end to us on a main trauma, man, more update about them. Just to tell you, say, movie and Nsoromma one night, they are doing amazing. Young kwa one done. I plan to see a serious show boy, yeah. Say go more after what the award need to the extent say artists be about chroma or share one done. And that is what Nsoromma does. A man Kwalani ding, a my side fame no, a do to level be a kiddie. Eko PM go more after fashion. Akosia don't book me, akosia don't book. No, shame me be cool stage. Shania Corso, one don and Sunni.
Rosie, one don. One don. One don. Give it up for one don right now. One don. Just say it now and say, Lomo from top to down. Wait to me. Go on, Vim. Go on, Kaseshi. Somebody show some love, show some love, show some love. Hey!
Now you did do me lombo. Me mania me lomo. Into one say, and stage now you build your more students, you know. Every stage you're muting me for. Just how much media and one rainier. When your confidence, yeah, every stage, every crowd, what's me face see. What I renel abuaje. One no so no your first runner up. I want Nsoromma season 3. Now say Renel no or your entertainment perfect. I was St. Louis Secondary School. Man, look at my kids. Look at my babies. You can say yes, shrine. Indeed, yes, shrine. Only Renel nie entertainment perfect of St. Louis Senior High. Now we don't call on the that was strashamo. Near your matnasi. Now we see. But for now, maybe I won't carry now. Now after she still sings.
Baby Mona Lisa, you got me confessing. I'm losing my mind cause right now you're not possessing me. Be my baby today and be my personal person tonight. This kind of love I never seen, I feel amazing. Make the man come out the mouth. Girl, I will give you a body, mommy. The music I back out cause you deserve love. Make the man come out the mouth. Girl, I will give you a body, mommy. The music I back out cause you deserve more. You got me singing.
Zenobia Woho, Wabonyum, while your gospel musicians, they say check her out on YouTube. Ashley Chooks is still doing amazing. Or Hono Membrana Swinty, Daniel Enchi, and so Woho. Just a Daniel there, or Tonyum Nakata when Yabaka Kwame Eugene. So these are my babies. Yakasa or more Shreya. Yakasha Radidian Mungam, Sampa, Mofrano, Shreya. And I want to take this opportunity to tell you, my babies, to keep singing. Yawahaya and Yame, and my own quaint. Yansu Bedi bit me idea support. Mutiami Adoma Ukwada, made a bet to us, me a show so swaffing Qualano, and season 8 and Eba, you find the next level. What him say, you're too far. Clay, we ain't tobacco baby after you were free me. Oh, Hair Logistics, mammy, me what it? Or TikTok, Instagram, Hair Logistics, where your wig and a shemisan, and a eagle wear pam ye, a tadia pump material to sew winning in ano, a eagle wear for more 0266 0266 112230. Big shout out to the entire team. Thomas, Mark Weber, OPD. I am a producer, back or plantation. So small and then about Ulamikel. Hey, Uncle Thomas, PRO, Ben, Pasolo, more fire, Lizzie, Echimen. It's the best see. Namakacho, so Kwada, Kwalama, Metia City, Metwa. So I'm the guy's queen, and you are my guy's viewer. See ya. Bye for now.